In this video, I'll show you multiple solutions on how to fix in case you don't see your printer when trying to use AirPrint on your iPhone, iPad, or even your Mac computer. It all works the same way. So let's start with the easiest thing you can do is to make sure that your printer and your phone or your device are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Many times you think they are connected to the same, but it's not. So go on the Wi-Fi settings of your device and check on which network it is. Same thing on your printer. This printer has a display, so I can check this easily, but if your printer does not have a display, you may need to download an app to make this work. So with HP, I know there is the HP Smart app that you can download and pair your printer. This way you'll be able to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. And each other brands have their own app for their printer. Next thing you need to check is that your Apple device is on the last update. So on the iPhone, open Settings, go into General, Software Update, and if there is an update over here, go ahead and install it. If you're not, sometimes this could actually be a problem as well. Again, same thing on your printer. If it has an update pending, go ahead and install it. Now, if any of these things didn't solve your problem, you're still not able to see the printer when you're searching for it, well, what I suggest is you go in the back of your printer, even if it's turned on, and disconnect the power cable. Pull it out. Do the same thing with your Wi-Fi router. Disconnect it from your wall socket. Then go on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and do a restart. So over here on this iPhone, I need to keep press the plus volume button and the power button both at the same time like this until this comes out. Power off. Once your device is power off, power it back on by pressing the power button and reconnect your Wi-Fi router and reconnect your printer. Simply by restarting them all, it can also solve the problem, especially your Wi-Fi router. Every time I'm having issues with it, if a device is not connecting properly or it's too slow, simply by unplugging it, waiting a few minutes and plugging it back, solve this problem. Some printers may also go in sleep mode quite early, just after a few minutes. And unfortunately, when they're in sleep mode, when you're trying to search for them with your device, it's not able to see your printer since it's sleeping. So again, depending on the brand, not brands are all the same, but go in the settings and try, usually it's under something called Eco menu or power saving, stuff like that. Try to turn off sleep mode. So the printer is always available for you when you need it. Another thing you can do in case none of these things worked, maybe your printer is in Wi-Fi direct mode. So you need to connect directly to the Wi-Fi of your printer. How does this work? Well, go into the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, wait for all the networks to be presented to you, and under here, you should see your printer appearing. If you don't see it over here, turn on Wi-Fi direct. Again, it depends on which printer you have. Over here, I simply need to go into the Wi-Fi setup, select Wi-Fi direct. Okay, and yeah, it will start in a few seconds. On some HP printers that don't have a screen, you will have to press a series of... On some HP printers that don't have a screen, you need to press on the Wi-Fi button that is located somewhere on the control panel until you see an icon that is a smartphone with a printer together. Then you should see your printer appearing in this list. You see over here, Direct, Epson with the name of your printer. Click on it. You'll be asked a password. Usually the password, again, depending on the model, should be fine on the small screen over here if you go in the Wi-Fi direct settings. This is my password. Enter it on your phone and it will be connected directly. You can now if you're trying to print under printer, you should see your printer appearing in the list. If you have any other tricks that could fix this problem that I didn't talk in this video, please comment down below, or if one of these worked, I want to know as well. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.